You rely on your handgun to function properly at a moment's notice. Regular maintenance is important to keeping your handgun operating smoothly. Always make sure your firearm is unloaded and refer to your owner's manual before field stripping your firearm. Lint and other debris can be a factor if you pocket carry, while sweat can be another issue if you have any metal on skin contact. If your firearm hasn't been fired, do a monthly cleaning. We also recommend an external wipe down before you lock it up at night. Need a quick clean? Try a one-pass bore cleaner like Ripcord. If you're doing a full breakdown, start with a cleaner and follow it up with a lubricant and a protectant. Pay special attention to anywhere carbon or debris can build up. When choosing a lubricant for your concealed carry, look for one that doesn't drip, evaporate, or wick. Dry lube or grease are great options. Don't forget your holster. Give it a good wipe down now and then, and check all fasteners and material to make sure that they're in good shape. Now that you know more about cleaning and maintaining your concealed carry, get out to that range, do some training, get dirty, and let's go shooting.